Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable pop-up blocker on Firefox. So let's get started. At first, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-line menu icon to access the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Privacy and Security tab in the left sidebar. This is where you can manage various privacy and security settings in Firefox. Scroll down to the Permission section. Look for the Block Pop-up Windows option. Uncheck the box next to Block Pop-up Windows to disable the pop-up blocker in Firefox. After disabling the pop-up blocker, close the window. Firefox will automatically save the changes and pop-up windows will no longer be blocked. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.